Hello and welcome once again to NFT Central, where we review every single NFT that you might not have heard of, or perhaps you did hear of it, but you just didn't know how much of a gain it could bring to you. Don't worry, that's what we are here for. And let me ask you all one simple question. How come every single NFT that is worth my time is actually related with an animal? At least most of them. I have no idea what is going on, but most NFTs have some furry animal. And you know what? They don't complain at all. They are very adorable. They're fucking adorable, and I don't complain. So, for example, what do I have here for you right now, for today? I have this Gangsta Rats Mafia. Now, the first time that I saw this, I'm going to be honest with you, I was not entirely convinced, but then I began reading what they have for everyone in store. So Gangsta Rats Mafia, or GRM NFTs, a next generation NFT project. Become a part from our GMR community and create your own gangsta gang. Many people are into these types of things. It's not specifically my cup of tea when it comes to design, but hey, objectively, it's quite good. So it's play to earn, of course, and they have their own Discord if you're interested in that, where you get all the updates that you want and need. They have 4K followers since November 2020 because they have been around for that long. I think they did change the entire formula at some point and they restarted everything. So don't get fooled if you think that other NFTs have more followers. These guys are still going hard. The pinned tweet, for example, right here, it was a giveaway. The last Twitter giveaway before early sale was 2 hours ago. Before that, well, we have the tweet 2 hours ago, 2 hours ago, 6 hours ago, 15 hours ago. These guys are always present. So yeah, don't worry about their inactivity or just going away. That is not gonna happen. So what do we have here? I actually have a link on their Twitter page for their actual website. And in the website, you can see some very interesting art. Adventure waits. What are you waiting for? Meet your rat right now. You click there, you mint, and that's it. Now, if I scroll down, you get a little more, background and the roadmap. Everything that a good NFT website should have, by the way. So, crime and violence running their blood. Some rats are mean, some are just bad. But then there's the others, the most evil underground villains on the planet. Hidden in the shadows and the sewers of your city, they reign upon their own mafia society that is about to conquer and then rule the world. That is a nice setup. Many people dream with these things. They enjoy the mafia. The subject. Oh, is it the subject? The theme. There you go. Mafia theme and everything around it. And yeah, I can understand why. I mean, you have the assassins, you have the mafia bank, and of course, you have a token that you have to take into consideration when you are dealing with an NFT. They have their own specific token. Now, if I scroll down, they have a roadmap for December 28th because that's the early sale for 0.040 Ethereum per mint for whitelisted and 0.055 Ethereum per mint for others, the gas price. So late January is to be announced. It's the sale, then 10% minted, 20% minted, and I see an RTX 3090 over there. They're a giveaway of a 3090, and I assure you, when they are 20% minted, that thing over there is still going to be quite substantial. So yeah, I encourage you to come to this website and check it out on your own because this looks extremely fucking promising. The team is a little silhouette because guess what? Still a little tease right there. And well, they have the links. But moving on, like I told you, you have rats and now, well, you have owls. I'm going to be completely honest with you, I have never seen an owl in an NFT before. Call me uncultured, call me like living inside a little box, but I have never seen an owl in an NFT before. I'm sure there are more, but I haven't seen them. Especially with 3,333 original avatar NFTs coming to Avalanche blockchain, and they have 1k followers, more than 1k followers since November 2021, so they're starting. They have been around for less than a month, maybe. And they are quite active. The pin is from December 25, and they have a tweet, yes, 3 hours ago. 3 hours ago again, and 3 again. So, not only are they active and they have 1k followers already, they also have a Discord link and a little website. If I click on the website, I have more information about them. That phase was terrifying. That phase is the stuff of nightmares. And that is good, actually. Up here, I have a lot of designs that I can check out before I'm actually heading into the website. Those flames remind me of the early 2000s, and it's just I feel an urge to use the word RAD for some reason, but yes, home, NWO, roadmap, gallery, community. Community is important in every NFT, gallery also because I want to know what I am investing in, roadmap, every NFT needs that. So, more flames, my goodness, introducing Illuminati Owls, 3333 original avatar NFTs, coming to Avalanche blockchain, show the secondary market or rarity chart. If you scroll down, you get more information and it just pops up. You want owls? You've got them. The DAO wallet staking, the blue chip NFT airdrops, the internal marketplace, you name it, these guys have it. You want an owl with a McDonald's outfit? You have it. You want an owl looking pain pastel? Then you have it. You want an owl looking like a pharaoh? There you go. They have the owl nest, the egg drop, so many things to read here. And I really encourage you to come here to this website and check it out on your own because they are amazing. They are donating 100 ahve to a charity even, which is very, very commendable. You have a little gallery in case you're interested in their designs. And if I keep on scrolling, I not only see the different team members, but of course they invite you to the Discord. Very interesting NFT. I would say that this one hasn't blown up yet, but I would keep an eye out for it. I would keep an eye out for it because I know that some people really like that stuff. Now, call it the festivities, call it the holidays, but like I said before, every NFT that I found worth my time today has been with an animal, and this time it's more holiday related. Deers, the Majestic Deers, coming soon, early January 2022, because we are already heading into that territory of, well, January. Used to be December, now it's January. Now, 8,888 Majestic Deers are ready for you to take. They have their own Discord link, and of course you can mint a golden deer and win $10,000. If you're lucky, you can get this bad boy over here, ripped as fuck, and you can actually earn 10 grand, sorry, not 10k grand, 10 grand. Now, if I scroll down, I can see 22 hours ago. I like what I'm seeing. December 25th, that's 2 days ago. Great. I see activity. That's what I like when I check NFTs. I want their Twitter to be active. I want them to be seeking a community. I want them to have a roadmap. They have 8,566 followers. That is promising. Very, very promising, actually. Now, if I head to their server, I'm stupid. If I head to their website, I have the white paper, I have the roadmap, and I have the team and the FAQ. Welcome to the world of Majestic Deers, a paradise. Only for those who are worthy, a place for only the most beautiful and majestic creatures that walk the NFT space. So if you are very curious about it, then just head into this website, majesticdeers.com, and you can read all about it. The community first project. I love it when they do a community first thing. You can read their full white paper there. You have a little demonstration of the gallery, the rarities, common, uncommon, rare, ultra rare, and legendary. Good old RPG style. Then you can have the golden deer, and of course, if you keep scrolling, you have some demonstrations of designs. They have their roadmap telling you what they are doing right now and they have planned for the future. The team members and the FAQ if you have any type of doubt. So, like I say, let me remind you that these videos, by the way, are no official financial advice because the YouTube video is no official financial advice. Still, I recommend that you check these 3 NFTs because I believe they have quite the potential. Now, this has been NFT Central. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm going to have to say goodbye to you right now, but I really hope that you enjoyed the video, you found it useful, you have a grand time and sweet gains when you visit these NFTs and decide to mint them. If you do, I'll see you in the next one.